So you're going to Bangkok and you've got no idea what you want to see, where to go, what's the must-see things. This video's got you covered. I'm showing you in 24 hours the best places to stay, where to eat, where to party, and the must-see tourist sites. So if you're planning your first trip to Bangkok, Thailand, I have two must-see spots that you absolutely cannot miss. Trust me, these are going to leave you spellbound. I'm talking about the Grand Palace, and in a moment we'll get to Wat Arun. So these are two iconic landmarks, really beautiful temples here in the centre of Bangkok. First up, I'm at the Grand Palace, an architectural masterpiece that was once home to the Thai kings. And this place is an absolute feast for your eyes. Look at all the gold that you see everywhere, all the intricate designs. The place is just vibrant and shimmering everywhere. Inside you'll find the famous temple of the Emerald Buddha, or the Wat Phraya. It's one of the most sacred temples in Thailand. And remember, you need to dress modestly to enter here. No shorts, no sleeveless tops. Next, we're going to hop across the Chao Phraya River to visit Wat Arun, known as the Temple of the Dawn. This temple is absolutely breathtaking, especially during sunrise or sunset, when the light just reflects off all of these porcelain covered spires. The climb to the top is a little bit of a workout, but the view is absolutely worth it. So whether you're here for the history, the culture, or just the insta-worthy shots, those two places are the two touristy spots that you really cannot miss on a first time in Bangkok. Next up, I'm going to show you one of Bangkok's most famous shopping malls, the Emporium Mall, located on Sukhumvit Road. This place has a cinema, high-end fashion brands, huge supermarket, but the reason I'm here is to go into the gourmet market and the food court. We're in the Emporium Mall. We've come to what we think is the top floor, although we're a little bit lost and it just seems never-ending. But we're in the food section, so there's almost everything you can think of. Even things that you've not seen before. There's these little buns, little icing buns filled with everything. There's noodles, there's rice stalls, there's a little milk tea, all sorts of desserts. We'll go and have a little look. It's certainly a place to come and get something weird and wonderful. Not just desserts or little snacky bits. If you keep walking, there's actually a host of different restaurants as well, cooking up all sorts of roast duck. There's pork dishes, noodles, It's a bit more it's a bit cleaner and a bit nicer than eating on some of the street stalls, but you still get that vibe, you still get that feeling of eating authentic Thai food or another type of cuisine that you can see. There's loads of different options available, so definitely a cool spot to come check out. If you're not, we haven't really done any shopping, we're not that interested in it. It's been cool to see the shops and have a walk around, but I was more interested in coming checking out what food they had, so we almost went straight up to the top and yeah, add one of the shopping malls to our list of things to do in Bangkok. We think after walking around that we're going to go for this one. We've seen some satay chicken and we just want something plain with rice, we think. We're going to go for this. Hey man, is this on here? So we've gone for the double chicken, but I ordered extra chicken, rice, a little bit of sweet chilli, got some sort of fermented veg in there. All of this was only 90 baht. 90 baht is something like not even £2, not even £2 English. So really, really cheap here and a great variety. Next up, we're going to Bangkok's famous Khao San Road. If you're looking for nightlife, amazing street food, and an unforgettable party atmosphere, this is the place to be. Let me take you on a journey through the madness which is Khao San Road, where every night feels like a festival. This place is crazy, it's the original backpacker spot, and you really need to check it out. Just at the bottom of Khao San Road, if you are looking for the best pad thai possibly in Bangkok, we have got Pad Thai Phai Thai Lo, which is a Michelin bib gourmet restaurant, and you really will not regret going here. And you can't do a vlog on Bangkok without talking about its nightlife. Starting at the Labu Estate Towers, made famous by the film The Hangover, Bangkok's nightlife is amazing. It's really vibrant, lots of different diversity in terms of the style of bars, but for me, I prefer these rooftop cocktail soda lounges. So yeah, start in Labu Towers, have a few drinks in there, and then move over to somewhere else. So this spot is a really funky little hotel, really Instagrammable spot. It's the Fig Lobby, which has got a lot of really cool cocktails, and I actually ate here as well.
We've gone for a cow soy chicken and also a prawns pad thai, and obviously a little protein shake or a little fruit smoothie with some protein added there. Not ordered as much as we usually would do, we have only recently eaten out.
And the Fig Lobby would also be one of my recommendations in terms of where to stay in Bangkok. So you can stay here, eat here, and party here on the rooftop. My other recommendation, also within a very similar area in Bangkok, is the Silk Hotel. Nice big spacious apartment style rooms, very fitness based, had a really good gym, spa and steam here. So it depends what sort of vibe you're after. You've got the artsy Instagrammable spot, or you've got the fitness Silk Hotel.
I hope you found this video useful, guys, and you're going to enjoy your trip to Bangkok. If you have, please drop me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It all really helps, and I'm making many more Thailand videos. So I'll see you in the next one.